All right, Pyros. Believe it or not, we've got another update. We've got some more stuff for you. So, we just kept picking up bags of the the little stuff, the kid stuff. We are the kids. Who am I kidding? But just whatever you can imagine. I don't know. All right, so what we got here. I know you saw it, but chill out. Got Master Color Ballistic Rockets. Had to get a little bit, just one more pack. Probably going to get maybe one more pack. I'm not sure. We got some of the smaller guys. We got 2 Twisted Visions. 2 Puff Puff Pass. Sick wrap on these. Got 2 more boxes of Bam Bams. Fellow Pyro was going out to a store and picked those up for me. If you know, you know. Thank you. Also got us the Nature Boy and 2 more of these Miami Vices that we need. Got a Girandola. I'm super excited about this. Never had one of these before, but so we picked up the toy box. This is all 4 of them: Spud, Buzz, Lizard, and Cowboy. Super cool wraps on these. Picked up a case of ice. We've been wanting this one for a while now. So, I know you saw it earlier, so I'll give it to you here. Mr. Nosferatu. 280. That wrap, dude, that detail is crazy. And picked up another big one. Had to get it. This thing is, I don't really know how to compare it for you. It's just massive. Just massive. But yep, we're going to have a little bit more something, maybe. Not sure. But stay tuned.